polynomial here. So if you remember back from just numerical division, we had this like house symbol, and we put this term on the outside of that house. And we put this term on the inside of the house, but you want to write it so that the exponents decrease. So we're going to write the 3x to the second first, then the minus 10x, and then the plus 3. So now let's ask ourselves, what times x would give me 3x to the second? What times x would give me 3x to the second? That's going to be 3x. So I'm going to write 3x above the x term here. Now we multiply. 3x times x will give me 3x to the second. 3x times 3 will give me 9x. Now when we've done division before, now we subtract. However, in algebra, subtracting is a little complicated. So what I like to do is change that to addition and change the signs of the terms. Addition's a little bit easier for us. Now let's add them. 3x squared plus negative 3x, those two cancel. And then I've got negative 10x minus 9x, that gives me negative 19x. And then we bring down the plus 3. Now we ask ourselves, x times what would give me negative 19x? That would be negative 19. Now we multiply. Negative 19 times x is negative 19x. Negative 19 times 3 is negative 57. And now we subtract. But remember in algebra, it's easier to add if we change the signs. Notice I'm changing both of the signs here. I just circle them to help me notice that, hey, yes, I did change them. So negative 19x plus 19x goes away. 3 plus 57 is 60. All right, so let's talk about our answer, okay? So we have our quotient. Quotient is just the answer to a division problem. So our quotient is what we got on top, 3x minus 19. Our remainder is what we got left over at the bottom. That's our 60. Okay. So if I'm asked for the quotient and remainder separate, I would leave answer like this. However, if I want to give them together, I have to write them like this. 3x minus 19 plus my remainder on top of a fraction over what was on the outside, x plus 3. So depending on how you're being asked for the answer, you'll know how to answer it accordingly.